An orthopedic surgeon just said something shocking. Walking alone is not enough to keep your muscles strong after age 75. In fact, relying only on walking could actually make your legs weaker over time. So today, I'll show you exactly what you should do instead. Simple exercises you can do at home to stay strong, stable, and independent. Walking is great for the heart. It keeps your joints moving. But here's the problem. Walking doesn't build muscle. And after age 75, muscle loss speeds up dramatically. That's why so many seniors start feeling weaker, more tired, and less balanced, even if they're walking every day. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This is called sarcopenia. And after 75, the body loses muscle up to twice as fast. That means your legs get weaker. Balance becomes harder. Even simple daily activities become more challenging. So walking is good for the heart, but it doesn't stop muscle loss. Orthopedic specialists now recommend something called strength-based movement. You don't need heavy weights, expensive equipment, or a gym, just simple muscle-building exercises that make your legs stronger. This one strengthens your thighs, hips, and core, exactly what seniors need. This improves balance and ankle strength. Strengthens arms and shoulders, important to prevent falls. These movements activate large muscles that walking does not fully engage. They rebuild strength and help prevent falls, knee pain, and mobility problems. To rebuild muscle, your body needs protein. You don't need supplements, just simple foods like eggs, tuna, Greek yogurt, chicken, and beans. Most seniors notice better balance, less knee pain, and more strength in just a few weeks. So remember, walking keeps your heart healthy, but it will not stop muscle loss after age 75. Add strength movements, do them daily, and you'll stay stronger for years to come. Like this video, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share this with a friend who needs it.